fucking drunk.
Okay guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I'm going to start this show off with a classic. I found some shoes that I haven't seen in my collection for over 20 plus years. This is a pair of Charles Barkley. I believe it is the gray, light blue, and white. I add this into the collection because I miss all these shoes. I haven't worn these shoes, like I said, or even seen these shoes in over 20 years. And I'm going to bust them back out. See a lot of people getting some Charles Barkleys. So I said I'm going to bust mine back out. Once I found them, I said I might as well go through, do the ozone treatment on this one, get it ready, street wearing. Don't know exactly when I bought this shoe. I don't know the collection it came from of Charles Barkley's or issues of Charles Barkley's. I'm going to look through and I'll put it somewhere in the description when I add the numbers. All right, let's get to the next shoe. All right, guys, let's do this next shoe. Let's get you a little bit of box action. I hope it focuses. This is the Wmns Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition Black, White, University Red. We're getting a lot of these Jordan special editions these past couple of months. I think Jordan has been producing it. I don't know how many, an ungodly amount. Trying to get them all, it's very difficult. I'm really just looking out for the UNCs and a few others now. Because they're really running Jordan 1s to death for the ladies and the men's. I got this shoe. I didn't know the front was patent leather. I really don't like patent leather shoes. Now that I'm looking at the back, it's patent leather as well. So you got to take that into account when you get this shoe. Let me show you guys some of the back action. This lower part is patent leather. I just don't like patent leather because once it gets scuffed or scraped, you got to go through a ton to get the shoe back to original. You like the missing Nike sign. I believe people could color that in any color they want for everybody who's doing customs. It's another reason why I got this shoe, because I believe it can be customed out. I only got one for my collection though. My feet are too big to enjoy these. I might could stretch them. But it's not a Jordan that I really want to wear. I just like the different contrasting colors on it. This is another of the 2020 Jordan 1 Mid Special Editions. I don't know how many they're going to do. Well, in the last month, and there's a couple more coming out. But let's get to the next shoe, guys. All right, guys, we're on to the next pair. We'll get to some box action. Hope it focused for you guys. This one, again, is another Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. It's the metallic gold, black, and white. Now, I wanted to get the black and gold, but they were patent leather, so I passed on them. I said I had to get this pair. This pair of Jordans, they're sitting. They're not as popular with people. But like if you're a Jordan 1 wearer, there's no way I believe that you should miss out on this Jordan. You have to find some outfits. They got the new sweatsuits that match this with the metallic gold Jordan on the sweatsuit as well in black and white. They're in the shop. Let me know if you guys want some. Have them for about $60 for the top, $60 for the bottom. But like I said, it goes perfect with this Jordan. You guys might be able to find these still in your Foot Locker or with Snipes or wherever you buy your shoes from. Like I said, they were sitting. And then Nike did a restock from after I bought this pair. The day everybody went to buy them, some of the sites crashed, so everybody had a ton of these left, but you really got to admire. Like I said, this shoe has the metallic gold all around. It's just an outstanding Jordan. Again, do not wear this Jordan without using the sole sneaker shield for your toe box. Get your sole protector on the bottom, and you want to do some type of ozone treatment on the shoe. Do not let this shoe go out of the house without treatment. Look at that beautiful shoe. Look at that Air Jordan. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see next, what shoes you want to see next. I'm going to be doing some PC building. I'll show you guys the pieces where I upgraded my PC to pass the Xbox Series X and the PS5. Tune in next time, guys. Ozone out. Everybody fucking jump!